Candidates that wrote this year, there is a good news for you, especially if you are among those complaining about low score, how JAMB did not give you what you got, right? The truth is that JAMB has come out to say sorry. JAMB has come out to apologize about what happened in the JAMB exam for this year, and I'll give you the full information and also how you can rewrite your JAMB exam. My work is to give you the current accurate information, so I want you to pay attention. Give me your attention. JAMB 2025 candidates, pay attention. Let's move on. Let me show you something immediately. Okay. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board has announced that about 379,939 candidates in the just concluded exam, in the just concluded Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, would retake the exam. Can you imagine? I told you to keep retweeting, keep typing, this is not my result and all the rest. We kept doing it, and I think many people joined us in that campaign to type, this is not my JAMB result, hashtag this is not my JAMB result. Because of that, JAMB has agreed that you can rewrite your JAMB exam, and this is the reason. JAMB Registrar Professor Ishaq Oloyede stated this at a press conference in Abuja on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, that should be 14th of May, he held this press conference. Now, what did he say caused such low score? He said it was a combination of human error and technology. So some of the JAMB staff made mistakes, and it is such mistakes that affected you. Okay? So it was a combination of human error and technology. Maybe technology is the computers, internet, and all the rest that malfunction. That is why you saw some people had only 120 questions to answer. Some people, the questions weren't complete. Some people, their system were blinking. Right? We are sincerely sorry. Can you imagine? JAMB said, the registrar of JAMB, that is the Oga Kpata in JAMB, came out to apologize to you. Do you accept this apology? Tell me. Tell me now. But I just even want you to pay attention so that we can proceed to how you can rewrite. According to him, why 206,610 candidates in Lagos are to retake the exam. So in Lagos alone, 206,610 candidates will retake the exam, right? 173,387 candidates are to rewrite it in the southeast states of Imo, Abia, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Anambra. So the area that JAMB is bringing out for rewriting is Lagos. Listen, the states that JAMB is telling you that you can rewrite are, as of today, as of Wednesday 14th May, is maybe just comment under the comment of this video the score that JAMB gave you and the state you wrote your exam. Just comment the score JAMB gave you and the state you wrote the exam. Let us keep pressuring them to expand this rewriting to more states. So they are saying it's Lagos State, Imo State, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State, and Anambra. You can see that South States, northern states are not even involved. But I also know that there were issues in such states. So just tell me the state and the score they gave you. That is if you scored low and you know it wasn't your fault. If it was your fault, please don't disturb JAMB. This followed widespread complaints of technical glitches, unusually low scores, and alleged irregularities in the just concluded UTME. JAMB is recognizing this one is not the fault of students. This one is majorly the fault of the JAMB itself, JAMB body itself. Okay, let's proceed with the information. I hope you are still here. A continuation of this is Professor Oloyede, who wept profusely. In fact, when he was apologizing to you, the professor was even crying. Can you imagine? This thing is like a national embarrassment. It should not happen at all. Nigeria has passed this level. We have passed the level of glitches in a JAMB that they started planning for more than 1 year. Who wept profusely, intermittently wiping his face with a handkerchief, said he took full responsibility for the negligence of his staff. So there were some JAMB staff, workers in JAMB, that did not do well at all. Only if we can get their names. Revealing that 65 centers in Lagos and 92 centers in Owerri zone. Owerri zone comprises of Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Abia, and Ebonyi, would rewrite the exam. 65 centers in Lagos and 65 centers in Lagos and 92 centers in the southeast, Enugu, Imo, Ebonyi, Anambra, and Imo, and Abia, will rewrite. It has been established that a technical glitch affected 157 centers out of the 887 centers in the 2024 UTME, right? This was basically responsible for the general low performance. So why many people failed is not that you did not read, it's not that you did not prepare, although many JAMB bites, people don't read, many of you don't read, but they are saying that even although many people failed because of they did not prepare very well, but there were people that got very low score, not their own fault, but because JAMB staff and the technical glitches were responsible. It wasn't your fault. As such, all the affected candidates will be contacted to reprint the examination slip towards retaking the examination starting from 16th May. So starting from 16th May, you could now reprint. Everybody will reprint the JAMB slip to know if they have been rescheduled to write the exam. So all candidates are advised to reprint their UTME slip starting Friday, 16th May. From Friday, 16th May 2025 to confirm if you are rescheduled to receipt the UTME 2024. So to know if you are to rewrite, just go and reprint your JAMB slip. If you don't know how to do that, let me know. Let me tell you what JAMB posted in the official Twitter handle. Look at what JAMB says. Say, man proposes, God disposes. It has been established that a technical glitch affected 157 centers out of the 887 centers in the 2025 UTME. This was basically responsible for the general low performance of the candidates scheduled to sit the examination in those centers. As such, all the affected candidates will be contacted to reprint the examination slips towards retaking the examinations starting from 16th May. Do you understand? Now, if you don't know how to reprint your slip, ask me right now in the comment section. Also tell me the state you wrote and the score you got. There is a very important video on the screen. Click on it. If you want to ask me questions privately and if you want me to keep guiding you, you need to click on join. Join our YouTube channel. Click on join right now. Click on join our YouTube channel. Then most importantly, like this video. Click on like. I want you to do it right now. Click on like this video. Then click on share this video on YouTube, share it on other platforms, and finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do it now. Click on subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. There is a very important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.